Assalamu alaikum. Now we move to another topic. So the topic is loops. Okay. So loops is very useful in a real project also. So loops is very helpful if you want to uh, run the block of code in multiple times and until the certain conditions. Okay. So now the first is for loop. Okay. We have types of loops. Okay, the first one is for loop. Okay, now we just discuss for loop only. Okay, so here I'm just writing syntax of for loop. Okay. Okay, so the first one we just write for, and inside the for we initialize initialization. Okay, here we can write initialization, then semicolon, then condition. Okay, so here the condition, and then increment or decrement. Okay, then uh, you write your statements here. Okay, so the first thing is initialization. You just initialize the variable. Okay, then you write the condition. Okay, here remember that the condition will be must false. Okay, if the condition is false, until the loop is executed, this block is executed until this while this condition is true. Okay, so if the condition is true, the loop stops. Okay, so for example, I'm just writing void main function, then uh, I want to run 100 times or 10 times numbers. Okay, for example, for loop, I'm just initialize integer I equal to start from 1. Okay, so I just write here condition, then I write condition. Okay, so here the condition I am saying, if this 1. Okay, if this 1 is less than or equal to 100, then I plus plus. Okay, and then front here I. Okay, so here I just initialize the variable that the initialize in the start value is 1. Okay, then I write here the condition, this I is, if this I is less than from 100, then you execute this block of code. Okay, and increment. Okay, here I am saying increment this value. Okay, so the dot doing the firstly the dot run this once. Okay, then run and check the condition. Okay, if here the condition is true, so uh, the dot stop the looping. Okay, so now I'm going to see you here. Okay, dot new dot. Okay, so now here you can see 100. Okay, start from here, you can see from 1. Okay, so this is a very helpful thing. So I think for now it's enough, and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.